Welcome to Cooking with Ice. I'm your cook, Gerard Ice. And what I plan on making for you today is chicken char sui with a coconut rice. Let me show you how. I started my chicken marinade with some brown sugar, some salt, some 5-spice seasoning, some white pepper, added some hoisin sauce, some Chinese wine, some soy sauce, sesame oil, some garlic, molasses, add a little liquid smoke, some red food coloring for that color, and some sriracha. Once I mix that up, then I put it to the side to get my chicken ready. Once my chicken was cleaned, I poured it over it, and then I put it in the refrigerator to marinate for a while. Once that's done, shook off the excess, and I got it ready to put in the oven. Once the chicken was in the oven, I took the excess marinade, put it on the stove with some honey, a little bit of water, and brought it to a simmer so that I could baste the chicken. I started on my rice by rinsing the rice, put it in the pot with some coconut milk, some water, a little bit of sea salt, some lime zest, some lime juice, and then we let it simmer about 20 minutes or so. Then I started on some bok choy. In a skillet I added some minced garlic, threw in my bok choy. I added some soy sauce, a little bit of sugar and salt. The sugar cuts the bitterness. Then I added a little bit of water to it to help finish off the cooking process. And then I just set this to the side. Once I took the chicken out of the oven the first time, I basted it with that reserved marinade that I had. This is my finished product of the bok choy. Add a little sesame oil and some black pepper. I took the chicken out another time, basted it again. Put it back in the oven to get a nice caramelization on it. Once my rice was done and it absorbed the coconut milk, I added in some cilantro and fluffed it. Now it's ready to eat. Nice flavor. That's Cooking with Ice.